little artists! Welcome back to Toddler's Art Hub, and today, we have a deliciously delightful project in store for you. Are you ready to add a sprinkle of sweetness to your day? Welcome to Toddler's Art Hub. Grab your black marker and a scale, and let's start creating our chocolatey masterpiece. Begin by drawing a rectangular chocolate bar on your paper. Imagine the yuminess. Now, let's add some charm. Draw a chocolate wrapped in a wrapper beside the chocolate bar. It's going to be absolutely adorable. To give our chocolate its own delightful personality, draw two big and cute eyes. Now, add a friendly mouth, and watch your chocolate come to life with sweetness. Let's make our chocolate even more lovable. Use your black marker to make those outlines bold and sharp. Add some hearts around your drawing, because who doesn't love a chocolate full of love? And now, it's time to make your chocolate even more scrumptious. Grab your color pens and let's add some delightful hues. Light pink color. Light pink for the wrapper. Dark blue color. Dark blue for the wrapper. Gray color. Gray for some extra charm. Cherry red color. Cherry red for love. Brown color. Brown for the delicious chocolate. Dark brown color. Dark brown for depth. Orange color. And a pop of orange for a delightful touch. There you have it, a chocolatey creation full of sweetness and love. If you had a blast today, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Toddler's Art Hub for more tasty adventures. Until next time, keep creating, little artists. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.